Grand Rising Super sHero self. What's up? How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? Me, I am fantabulous. Life, thank you for life. Life, thank you for life. The card for today is Nature Spirits. The card meaning joy, delight, peaks of carefree abandon, living wildly, magically, and free. Be open to the wonders of the universe flooding into your life. Innocence and delight are abounding. Happiness is on its way. It's already here, boo. Your native spirit wants you to know. Almost every indigenous culture recounts stories of fairies, often called little people and nature spirits. Although some of the fairies act in protection of their wild lands and should be treated with care and respect, most often they bring blessings and delight to all in their realm. If this nature spirits card chooses you, then welcome to a wellspring of joy and magic. Beneath the surface, mystical interventions are occurring in your life. Relax. All is well. The journey. Even taking a few moments of stillness in the natural world can help you attune to the world of the little people and nature spirits. If you see a small flash of light or a movement of a leaf on a windless day, these are often signs that the wee folk are near. Oh, welcome, wee folk. Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you. I received those words. Thank you, everybody. Thank you. Thank me. Thank you. Thank me. Ooh. I love you.